a beautiful day. I woke up this morning. Welcome back to another video by Hoodz. What's happening, guys? How you doing? Today I'm going to be decatting my Yamaha R1 and I'm going to take you through the steps and show you how to do it. If you have one and you want to do it yourself, I'm just going to give you a quick insight into how to do that. So let's go. So here she is, guys. My beautiful Yamaha R1 that's definitely seen better days. Needs a bit of a clean, to be honest, and a new foot peg. I haven't had a look exactly to see what this job entails, but I can only assume it's a few bolts and Allen key screws. So got the Allen key. Let's crack on and get this done. Long. Wait a minute, motherfucker. I guess that would have been the valve actuator, which allows your bike to go quieter and louder and so on. But it seems the previous owner has obviously had an exhaust on here. When I got this, this was absolutely fresh, like spanking. And I did wonder why it was so damn fresh. So I'm assuming when he got it, he probably just took the cat straight off and put a straight through decat pipe, possibly a rear silencer, I don't know. And he just hasn't connected this back. So this was I think it's called a valve actuator, so it just makes the bike louder and quieter, as you probably just heard when I was revving. Am I going to take off the rear silencer as well? Although that could be fun, just to get an idea of how it sounds without a rear silencer on it. Rear silencer removed. See if that makes any difference to the sound. I'm intrigued. Definitely, straight away I can hear that. Wow. That's how it would sound if you had no rear silencer on it. That is ridiculous. Right, let's get a spanner for the O2 sensor. One O2 sensor removed. Right, so we want to try and keep that wound up exactly how it is, so it just goes straight back in, exactly how it came out. Screw it back in, just a few turns, like so. A bit lighter, a little bit faster, and a little bit louder. Because we need louder. Right, so this side done. So we'll move on to the other side. We'll probably need all these. Let's go. Is it? You've never been out here before? Oh, baby. Do me a favour, can you come and hold this camera?
Yeah, whatever you want me to hold it. Just here?
Huh?
Just here? Or?
To hold it, yeah, just
Like this?
You can kneel on the cushion.
Okay.
Right, so now we're on the other side. and just the same steps again. 2 screws holding this plate here that's covering the exhaust. I'm assuming need to come off. I'm not 100%, but we shall find out together. Yeah, as I thought, that panel needed removing so we can get to this bolt here. We've got more the O2 sensor, and then we've got a bolt over here. So so that's loose enough. So I believe we've just got one more screw, which is just over here. I should really get a socket for this, to be fair. And if this doesn't go well, yep, I'll do that. I'm going to end up rounding that bolt. So I believe it was a 13. Oh, my sockets have definitely seen better days, man. Wow. This is what happens when you let water get into your sockets. Bruh. Right, that should be it. If I'm not mistaken, this should just come off now, I'm assuming. Not 100% sure, but can't see anything else holding it up. Yes, I can. So there is one more bolt, which I've just noticed in the center. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Wait a minute, motherfucker. Okay, so it seems to have unwinded, so I guess I'm gonna have to twist it like so. Hopefully the other one hasn't, because that won't be possible to do that after screwing that one on. Wait a minute, motherfucker. So it's a bit of a tight fit. Oh, very nice. I've been picked flowers. How beautiful. Thank you. Thank you.
Shows you're a real mechanic.
Yeah, I guess it does a little bit.
Oh, look, the bees
My
are
baby
up
said
there.
it shows that I'm a real mechanic. I don't even work on bikes, man. I should let my daughter do it, to be fair, because she's quite competent when it comes to these things as well. Right. So it's not going on as easy as I thought it would, so I figure if we just try and expand these a little bit, might make my life a little bit easier. So hopefully you just slip on now. Let's give that a go, see how that works out.
They haven't grown yet. That's alright.
Wait a minute, motherfucker.
There it is. Nice and snug.
Lay what? What's under there?
So that's done. It doesn't come with no nuts or bolts for the fitting, so I'm gonna have to take the nut off of the old cat and use the bolt in the old cat. Oh, I'm sorry, the bolt in the old nut from the old cat, which is absolutely fine, no problem. Right, so I think I'm gonna do this one again because it's pointing down, and I'm not sure if this is gonna cover it. No, it's not. So it looks a bit silly being all the way, that one being down like that. Do another sound check. Oh my goodness gracious me. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh. Obviously that's with the end silencer off, so yeah, we have to put that back on, but I just had to get a sound check without that on. That sounds amazing. Oh my gosh. Can't wait. Can't wait. So anyway, we'll put everything back on. Get it looking neat again. Still quiet, Nay? Still think it's quiet, huh? My daughter said to me that my bike sounds quieter. I'm sure she doesn't feel that way anymore. So there's the end silencer back on and the decat pipe installed. Definitely looking better than it did before with that big bulky catalytic converter on there. Beautiful.
Outer space. Outer space. Outer space.